Welcome back to BA Media. The YouTube channel has raised concern about how AI will disrupt everything and how we are all at risk. However, they are partially incorrect. To better understand AI's impact, there are three key components to consider. Firstly, AI revolution itself needs to be understood. Secondly, we must explore how it will affect the real world. And thirdly, we need to grasp how to capitalize on AI to generate income. When we examine historical turning points, we find that each advancement built upon what was already present. For instance, the plow made farming easier without uprooting the principles of farming. The printing press made information more accessible, but it didn't alter the nature of information itself. Even the internet enabled brick-and-mortar businesses to expand online but didn't fundamentally change the essence. AI is different because it has commercialized something that has traditionally unique to human skills. Although AI has been around for many years, its democratization through tools like ChatGPT has brought it into a mainstream. Now anyone can leverage AI to the advantage or disadvantage depending on the skills level and understanding of how to navigate and utilize it. ChatGPT, for example, is capable for performing various tasks, which is impressive in itself. However, what is crucial to recognize is the rapid advancement of AI. In the field of technology, there are a concept of called Moore's law, which states that the number of transistors on a microchip doubles every 2 years, leading to exponential growth in a computer power. When its exponential growth is combined with AI models that can learn on their own, it becomes evident that AI is progressing at an extraordinary rate. Indeed, the opportunity presented by AI are virtually limitless. However, the current limitation of ChatGPT lies not in the technology or learning models themselves, but rather in our ability to ask it questions. We are currently at the bottleneck in maximizing its potential. Another significant question, particularly in one delves into conspiracy theory, is how AI will be governed. AI undeniably offers tremendous opportunity and challenges. Prominent leaders have long warned about the danger of AI, and even the CEO of OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT, has acknowledged that some robots may cause harm to humans. It's important to gain an understanding of AI's origin and nature for those who may be unfamiliar with it. Now, let's discuss the real-world application of AI. It is crucial to differentiate between short-term and long-term effect. The truth is, we cannot accurately predict where AI will be in 10 years. Speculating about distant future scenarios, such as flying cars or brain implants, can be unreliable. Therefore, focusing on analyzing the short-term future is more practical. Will everything crash and burn? No. However, some individuals will undoubtedly be replaced by AI. The key is to take steps to ensure that you do not become the obsolete. If you know how to utilize AI effectively, you can actually increase your value and avoid being replaced. I will share more on that shortly. Let's address the question of who will be replaced by AI. Interestingly, a few years ago, a common belief that has physical labor would be the first to be replaced by robots or AI. Then, white-collar jobs were expected to follow, with the creative industry being taken over at some point. However, the order of this perceived progression has seemingly been flipped upside down. What was once considered inconceivable is now happening in real time. AI has indeed surpassed human capabilities in areas traditionally associated with human creativity. For instance, just a few months ago, an AI won a fine arts competition against human participants. Numerous AI companies are emerging, aiming to replicate the works of doctors, lawyers, and other professionals. While we cannot predict the exact timeline, it is likely that AI will eventually succeed in these fields as well. Consider the scenario of trusting an AI doctor who has analyzed millions of cases, patient records, and medical literature versus relying on the human doctor who graduated many years ago when the medical industry was different. The AI's ability to diagnose ailments and understand human behavior could surpass that human doctors. We are already witnessing how simple algorithm of platforms like TikTok can addict people. With AI's ability to tailor content specifically to individuals, it could create shows, ads, games, and more that are perfectly suited to reel them in. What does it mean for the rest of the workforce? To put it plainly, many people will be let go and jobs will be replaced. This workforce transformation was already underway, with companies conducting mass layoffs even before AI's prominence. AI has accelerated this process, rendering more positions obsolete or unnecessary. Whether you are an employee or an entrepreneur, the key factor that will determine whether you thrive or struggle is your speed of adaptation. Similar to the period between 2005 and 2010, when people's ability to adapt to the internet and social media varied, the same will happen with AI. Many jobs will become redundant. You can choose to passively watch as AI takes over your job, or you can leverage AI to enhance your value and remain relevant in the changing landscape. AI can be a powerful tool for leveraging your skills and knowledge to make more money. Here are the 3 ways you can use AI to your advantage. First is agency. If you run an agency, AI can assist you in various forms of communication. For example, AI-powered tool can write emails for you. You can only need to validate them. This can save a significant amount of time that you can then dedicate to your working on your business instead of being consumed by a routine tasks. AI can streamline your communication process and help you focus on high-value activities. Next is productivity. AI can enhance your productivity by automating repetitive tasks. For instance, AI-based tool can help you schedule appointments, organize your calendar, manage your to-do list, and even perform data analysis. By leveraging AI to handle these tasks, you can free up valuable time and energy to focus on more critical aspects of your work or explore more new opportunities. Third is decision-making and insight. AI can provide you a valuable insight and support decision-making process. AI-powered analytic platforms can process vast amounts of data and generate actionable insights, enabling you to make informed business decisions. Whether it's market research, customer behavior analysis, or trend forecasting, AI can help you gather and interpret data to gain a competitive edge. By using AI to automate and augment various aspects of your work, you can increase your efficiency, save time, and focus on higher value tasks. It allows you to leverage technology to expand your capabilities and make most of their emerging opportunities. Remember, the key is to identify areas where AI can enhance your workflow and strategically integrate it into your business processes. Third way to make money with AI is leveraging it for automation and scalability in your business processes. Here's how you do it. For automation, AI can automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, allowing you to focus on more strategic activities. Whether it's automating customer support with chatbots, automating data entry and analysis, or automating inventory management, AI can streamline your operation and save you valuable time and resources. Next is scalability. AI enables you to scale your business without necessarily increasing your human workforce. With AI-powered tools and systems, you can handle larger volumes of work, serve more customers, and expand your business operations without significantly manual effort. This scalability can lead to increased revenue and profitability. Lastly, personalization. AI can help you deliver personalized experience and tailored recommendations to your customers by analyzing data on customer preferences, behavior, and past interactions. AI algorithm can provide personalized product recommendations, content suggestions, and target marketing campaigns. This level of personalization can enhance customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately drive revenue growth. The key is to identify areas in your business where AI can improve efficiency, productivity, and customer service. Leveraging AI for automation, scalability, and personalization, you can unlock new opportunity, increase your business's value proposition, and ultimately generate more revenue. It's important to note that while AI can bring significant benefits, it's still essential to find a right balance between automation and human touch. As you generate AI into your business processes, ensure that there is still room for human, for creativity, critical thinking, and decision making. AI should augment human capabilities rather than replace them entirely, allowing you to leverage the best of both worlds. If you're a consultant or coach, AI can be your ultimate ally. Microsoft recently introduced Copilot, an AI that complements with a suite of products. Let me break it down for you. When you meet with client, the AI transcribes notes and provides a summary of key points and action items. Need to create a presentation? The AI generates tailored PowerPoints based on the action points and even incorporates your client's branding. Excel analysis? The AI handles that too. Tasks that used to be hours or even days can now be completed in minutes. The impact of this is immeasurable. It's a golden opportunity for you to leverage AI before it becomes widespread. But where does this leave you? It leaves you in the position where nurturing relationship is crucial. Think about it. Top executives and successful business owners focus on making strategic decisions and fostering relationships. Now it's time to capitalize on your unique human qualities and harness to the power of AI. We are in an extraordinary era where anyone else can use AI as leverage, essentially having employees for free. The barriers to starting a business, side gig, or side hustles are minimal. The only questions remaining is, how serious are you? Is this something that you want to do, or will you take action? I believe in you and will be cheering you from a distance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you are new to this channel. Once again, thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you on the next one.